I called 5 different plumbers to give me a quote. And I was really embarrassed because I tried to do the work myself and I knew that I did not do a very good job. And one of the plumbers made me feel really bad, and he was basically like, this is shit. If they got involved, they would have to start over and it was gonna cost like 20 grand. And I knew I didn't do like the most professional job. I'm not a plumber. Obviously, it takes years to be a good plumber, but I didn't think it was that bad. I was seriously depressed for a whole day after that guy left. I had a different company come and give me a quote, and this is the company that I actually chose to go with. It didn't make me feel like crap. In fact, they said, hey, you did a pretty good job for being an amateur, which made me feel better, even though they're still probably gonna have to redo most of it. And they gave me a air quote much better than $20,000. It was gonna be around 8. They have to get in the crawl space and turn the 1 bathroom into 2, and then also reroute the plumbing for the kitchen since I moved the wall. At $8 grand was a little bit more than the cheapest quote I got, but I'm not about paying the lowest price. I want someone who's professional, shows up when they say they're going to, and do the work in a timely manner. Now, they've been working for 3 days now, but I didn't realize that they would do such a great job. I love it so much. It makes my heart stupidly happy to see that plumbing. It's so pretty. The lines are perfect and straight. For reference, this is the section that I attempted to do myself. I'm gonna butcher this name, but the company is Dahire Plumbing. They're in Louisville, Kentucky. I really enjoyed working with them. Very professional, 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend.